Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your very own family history book on MyCanvas. You'll want to be sure you've created your family trees and added all information into your Ancestry account before beginning this process. Head to the Products section at mycanvas.com and select Ancestry Family History. Then, scroll down and select Ancestry Family History Book. Here, you can choose between two sizes of books: the standard 11 by 8.5 inch book or the larger 13 by 10 inch book, which offers 40% more room on every page. You can also choose your cover style. Select from either a custom photo cover or a vegan leather option. The leather option comes in either black or tan and includes an optional gold foil title. Select the size of book and cover style you'd like, then scroll down and select Continue. If you have an Ancestry account, you'll want to click the Log In with Ancestry button and enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll see a screen that looks like this. Begin by selecting the family tree you'd like to reference in this project. Then, choose the number of generations you'd like to be included. Finally, find the starting person for your tree by typing in their name until you locate them. Select the starting person and select a partner if you'd like. However, adding a partner is optional. To see your book, select Preview Your Creation in the lower right-hand corner. You will then see a box pop up that reads, Building Your Project. When complete, all available information will be added to your book for you to view and edit. Be sure to enter a name for your project in the top toolbar and hit Save. Your project will then be saved as a draft for future use. Please reference the additional videos on this channel to learn more about editing photos and text within your project.